Hey guys, Nari Naraga here. Not sure how well you can see me because I cannot see the screen at all. Yay, son. Anyway, this video is going to be taking a walk down to the duck pond. Yay, ducks. Anyway, gonna divert a bit from the trains. And that's about it. We might hear some trains, but we won't see any. Sorry, all you train lovers.
I wish I had food for you guys.
Oh, I'm sorry, no food, but you're so cute. Hi.
Can you see them?
I think the camera can just barely pick them up. Goslings! Hey Goose, what's up? Stay over there, I'll stay over here. We're friends, right? Cute babies. Oh, I was blurry. Okay, there we go. What's up, guys? Where we going, fellas? You never know what I'll see. I think it's so cool. I think it's a type of duck, but, well,
I've got a book
duh.
of birds of Arkansas.
Hi. I'll make sure to give you guys an ID later. Hey guys, so that was the walk around the duck pond. I could not find an ID for that goose, or not sure what it was. That was a pretty cool bird. So if any of you guys, from what I was able to catch, can identify that guy, please feel free to comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.